Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss 30 MCQs on the models of communication. So it is a paper 1. We are preparing for the set examination and आज की जो वीडियो है उसमें हम MCQs देखेंगे पेपर 1 के. उसमें भी मॉडल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, जैसे कि जून 2025 में जो हमने महाराष्ट्र स्टेट एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन पेपर देखेंगे तो उसमें मॉडल्स पे क्वेश्चन था कम्युनिकेशन के, तो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए ये 30 क्वेश्चंस है. So watch the video till the end. Let's start with the first question. Which model of communication is widely recognized as the earliest formal model emphasizing the role of the speaker? Shannon and Weaver model, Burles and SMCR model, Aristotle's model, or the Scrams model? So the correct answer is here. The first widely known, recognized earliest formal model is Aristotle's model. Okay. Aristotle's model of communication is a linear model that focus primarily on which setting? So जो Aristotle का first जो model है linear model है ये, तो primarily वो किस पे बेस करता है? तो ये interpersonal communication, public speaking and rhetoric, mass media broadcasting and machine to machine communication. So the correct answer is B, public speaking and rhetoric. Next question. Okay. According to the Aristotle, what are 3 essential elements of persuasive communication? Rhetoric. According to the Aristotle, we have to tell. So what are they? We will see. Source, message, receiver, encode, decode, feedback, ethos, pathos and logos. Okay. And the sender, channel, noise. And the correct answer will be ethos, pathos and logos. Option number C is correct. Okay. Next question. The Shannon-Weaver's model of communication 1949 was originally developed for which field? Behavioral psychology, political propaganda, electronic telecommunication and engineering, cultural anthropology. The Shannon-Weaver model of communication, the Shannon-Weaver model जो है communication का 1949 का originally developed for which field? So the correct answer हम देख लेते हैं. C will be correct. Electronic telecommunication and engineering, Shannon and Weaver both are work for that. Okay. Next question. In Shannon-Weaver model, the concept of noise is introduced for the first time. What does noise primarily refer to this model? Shannon और Weaver के model में noise इस term को firstly introduce कराया था. So what is the reference of that noise? Semantic misunderstanding, psychological bias, physical or technical disturbances in the channel and the cultural differences. So the question number 5 and the correct answer is physical or technical disturbances in the channel. Next question. Which of the following is a major limitations the Shannon-Weaver model of communication when applied to human interaction? जब इस मॉडल को हम अप्लाई करते हैं of model of communication to the human interaction, so what should be the major limitations of this model? So we have to tell it includes too many channels, it's strictly linear and lack the concept of feedback, it over emphasizing psychological noise, it does not include an encoder. So which one is correct? So the correct answer is it is strictly linear and lack the concept of feedback. Next question. Harold Laswell का मॉडल की बात हो रही है. Harold Laswell, the model of communication 1948, best summarized by which famous verbal formula? Who says what to whom with what effect? Who says what which channel to whom with what effect? Source transmit message through the channel to the receiver. Sender encode to the person meaning. So what should be the correct answer? A, B, C, D. ठीक है. तो Harold Laswell's famous for the option number हमारा correct हो जाएगा B. Who says what in which channel to whom with what effect? Okay. Next question, number 8. Lasswell model is heavily used in the study of which type of communication? Lasswell की जो model है वो use होती है study of which communication? Interpersonal communication, mass communication, effective communication, small group dynamics and classroom feedback. Which one is correct? So Lasswell की जो model है वो use की जाती है option number B, mass communication and media effects. Next question. David Berlow's SMCR model 1960. David Berlow की मॉडल की बात हो रही है. Okay, question number 9 stands for sender media culture receiver. So हमें long form बतानी है SMCR की. So the correct answer is source, message, channel, receiver. SMCR. Source, message, channel, receiver. Next question. In Berlow's SMCR model, which of the following variables affect both the source that receiver? Okay. So Berlow का SMCR model, again we have to tell the variables affect both the source and the receiver. Treatment and structure, seeing and hearing, communication skill, attitude, knowledge, social system and culture, and element and code. So the C answer is correct here. Next question. Which model of communication first introduced the concept of field of experience? Explain successful encoding and decoding. Aristotle's model, Wilbur-Cramp's model, helical model, Wesley-McLachlan model. Okay. So which model introduced the first concept of field experience? And the correct answer of question number 11 is Cramp's model. Wilbur-Cramp's model. B is correct. Next question. According to the Wilbur-Cramp, human communication is effective only when? So the channel is free of technical noise. The field of experience of the sender and receiver overlap. The message is transmitted via mass media. So which one is correct? So the question number 12 and 12 का आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा field of experience जो है. Firstly हमें जो दिया था ये था श्राम या स्क्रैम ऐसे प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं आप उन्हें. So the correct answer is B. The field of experience of the sender and receiver overlap according to the Scram in human communication. Next, Scram's circle model emphasizes that communication is a continuous process where individual act simultaneously as. तो हमारे जो Scram है वो बात करते हैं सर्कल मॉडल की. तो सर्कल मॉडल जो है वो emphasize करता है communication is a continuous process where individual act simultaneously as a gatekeeper and filter, translator and the transmitter, encoder, interpreter and the decoder, or the media and the channel. So the question number 13 and the answer Scram जो है वो एक circular model की बात करते हैं and he give the message and with the help of encoder, interpreter and the decoder. So the correct option is C here. Next. The transactional model of communication differ from the linear model because it views communication as. तो transaction model और linear model एक दूसरे से अलग है. So we have to tell the cause. One-way flow of information, simultaneous dynamic interaction where the both parties are sender and the receiver, process strictly controlled by the gatekeeper and delayed feedback system. Which one is correct? So the simultaneous dynamic interaction where both parties are sender and the receiver. Okay. Next question. Which of the following model is a prominent example of the transactional model? Which of the following model is prominent example of transactional model? Lasswell model, Shannon-Weaver model, ब्रुनलैंड मॉडल और द एरिस्टोटल मॉडल. सो द बर्नलैंड का मॉडल हो तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन हमारा हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, बर्नलैंड्स मॉडल, डी बर्नलैंड्स मॉडल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डीन ब्रनलैंड या डी ब्रनलैंड ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल. Highlight the role of queues. What are the three types of queues defined in the model? Okay, so the correct answer is public, private, behavioral and intentional. B is correct. Next question. Frank Dance helical model 1967 suggests that communication is. So question number 17. Frank Dance helical model 1967 suggests that communication is. So the communication is dynamic, evolutionary and constantly expanding based on the past experiences. So the correct option is C. Next question. Which geometric shape represents the Frank Dance model of communication? Question number 18 and the answer is helix spiral. C is correct. Next question. The Wesley and McLachlan model 1957 is unique because it is specifically include the role of gatekeeper. What is the primary function of gatekeeper? Question number 19 and the correct answer is option number B. The filter select and modify the message before they reach the massive audience. Next question. In communication model, interactive model are the best criticized by adding of which element that is missing in the linear model? Okay. So the correct answer is feedback. Feedback is the correct. Next, which model argue that communication does not start Which model argue the communication does not start when a person starts speaking, but rather than when a person responds to the environmental stimuli? Okay. So the 21 question and the correct answer is okay. तो कौन सा मॉडल है जो आर्ग्यू करता है communication does not start when a person starts speaking but rather when person respond to the environmental stimuli? Okay, so the correct answer is B, Wesley and the McLachlan model. Next question. George Gerber's model of communication emphasized the relationship between. So the correct answer is perceptual dimension. Man perceives an event and the communication dimension. Next question. Who among the following theories develop a model specifically analyze the mathematical theory of communication? So which theory developed the mathematical analyze the theory of communication? So which one is correct here? So correct option is Claude Shannon and Warren Weaver's model. Next question. Okay. When a teacher is lecturing in a traditional large classroom, the student only listen without asking question. Which model best describe the scenario? टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं ट्रेडिशनल क्लासरूम में, बच्चे सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं विदाउट एनी आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, तो कौन सा मॉडल डिस्क्राइब करेगा इस सिचुएशन को अच्छे से? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज लीनियर मॉडल. ठीक है, रेशियो कम्युनिकेशन या संप्रेषण हम कहेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन टू फ्रेंड्स आर हैविंग अ लाइव वीडियो कॉल ओवर व्हाट्सएप फ्रीक्वेंटली इंटरप्रेटिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू ईच अदर, विच मॉडल इज एट वर्क? तो दोस्त हैं जो वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हैं ओवर द व्हाट्सएप, फ्रीक्वेंटली इंटरप्रेटिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू ईच अदर. सो विच वन द मॉडल इज वर्क फॉर इट? So the correct answer is transactional model. B is correct. Next. In Berlow SMCR model, structure and element are components of which factor? Okay, so the correct answer is message. Next question. The concept of semantics, noise, misunderstanding of words and symbol is a critical addition to later interpretation of which type of model? So the concept of semantic noise. Question number 27 and the here answer is A, B, C or D. So the correct answer is B, psychological humanistic model of communication. Question number 28 Okay, which model is heavily criticized for treating communication as a mere transmission of data, like moving a brick from one place to another? And the correct answer is Shannon-Weaver model. Next question. In Aristotle, rhetoric, ethos refers to, what is meant by the ethos according to the Aristotle? And the correct answer for it is the ethos का मतलब वो बताते हैं the credibility and character of the speaker. And the last question for you people. The Good-Scram model is highly circular. Who was the theorist who originally conceptualized the circular nature before Scram popularized? And the correct answer है 30 question का, that is Charles Egerton Osgood. It is the correct option. Okay. So this is how these are the 30 questions based on the models of communication on the history or the previous question paper as I studied, and I feel that these are question or ऐसे question बनते हैं models of communication पे. If you have any suggestion and any kind of the topics, please suggest it in comment. I will be there for you. Okay, so study good, be good, as well as give the dedication towards paper first and second. Thank you.